I'm Rabi Pirzada. I used to be a singer once, and then I left the showbiz industry. I started working on my way for betterment for people. Alhamdulillah, it's been 3 years that I have been serving people. I have been serving humanity. I have 2 schools, and I have technical schools as well. I have schools for children, I have schools for elders, I have Quran schools free where they learn tajweed and tafsir and tarjuma because I wanted everybody to understand Quran. Besides that, the abaya I'm wearing is by the brand Haya by Rabi, which is owned by 350 widows, and they designed this abaya, they stitch it, and we are the top selling brand on internet right now, social media, alhamdulillah. I have been helping people for their major surgeries, for their health issues, for their ration programs. I have distributed over 200 radia and over 500 sewing machines. There is a list of the things which Allah has made me done, but all by my own self-financed so far. I was telling you, when my uncle gives me some money to spend on the deserving people, I get scared because I'm counting. Every penny has been spent on the people, and I have been in a glamour world, and just coming here changed my world. That's all I do.